Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how you can add content from your Google Drive to your Google site. Firstly, choose the page on your Google site that you would like to add the content to. Today I'm just going to put it on my front page of my Anzac Day education program. The right hand side column is the tools that you use to create your Google site. Text, images, embed video. We're just going to select the Google Drive icon to get something that is stored in my Google Drive. So we'll just choose an image of the museum, the MTG Hawke's Bay. I've clicked on it and it's popped up on my page. And I can move it up and down wherever I want. So that's as easy it is to get something from your Google Drive to add to your Google site. I hope that explains it well. Thank you.